Girl 338. I have to show you this. This is going to be a short video. This is my Genovese Basil that I'm growing in my Aero Garden. I mean, I love my Aero Garden. But look at the size of these leaves. Wait, you can't believe this. Look at the size of these leaves. It's bigger than my hand, than my palm. I mean, this is beautiful, and you can't believe the smell. It smells so good. This is my Aero Garden. I have it growing. I'm starting my seeds, and this is my basil. And I got here my San Marziano tomatoes. But I love my Aero Garden because everything grows so beautiful as long as you keep up with the fertilizer and the timing of the lights. This is my other two. These are crazy. They're called, I forgot the name of them. They're those crazy looking tomatoes. They're like red and dark green, and they grow in New Jersey. And they want like $6 for a tomato at Whole Foods. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this. They're beautiful, and I'll take you over here. I'm frying my zucchini. I'm making fried zucchini. I got ravioli. So I'm making some fried zucchini with ravioli. But sometimes, you know, this dish is, this dish you could also make with linguine, like a not a basilic. You can make this like with spaghetti alla olio, which is just the zucchini with the oil because it's been fried in the oil, olive oil. And then I throw some pieces of garlic in it, and I let the garlic get really brown. And you serve it over whatever you want. I like it over raviolis. Okay? All right. Thanks, guys.